A lot of people with tracing, they think, hey, if you capture the network calls, then you're good. That's absolutely not the case. The hardest part about tracing is actually inside the process. You get a call comes in at the top of the stack. A bunch of work happens, often involving, queues and handoff and batching, and then more work happens, and then you make a network call. And somewhere in all that software, which is just user-land software, no system calls, you need to keep track of the context. It's a very, very difficult thing to solve coming in after the fact. But at Google, just through sheer good software design or something from people early on, there was actually a common library you could use. And if you instrumented that, then you basically got coverage of everything. And I remember when we pushed out the initial versions of Dapper in production, no one really knew how that was going to work. But it worked for read-only services like web search. It was kind of remarkable. And you push this thing out, and on day one, basically, of having this out in the world, you could 12, 15 layers of microservices all the way down the stack, perfectly captured, because they all use the same libraries. It was just really remarkable side effect of, I think, very good software design from people who came in early, like 1999, early at Google, from Digital's research lab, who were world-class systems researchers, and they just did a bunch of best practice systems programming very early on at Google. And I think that was a big deal.